Hi guys, here in this video I will try to fix the audio issue with Windows 10. Generally by default the audio driver should work, but sometimes we may find that it is not working. So here in this video I will show you 3 methods to fix it. And here goes our method number 1, that is update sound driver. So just click on this search icon and write here devmgmt.msc, that is device management. Now here is the device management window. Just I am maximizing it, and now choose sound, video and game controllers. Just click on this arrow to maximize the tab and select high definition audio device. Just make a right click here and select update driver software. So now we have two options: search automatically for update driver and browse my computer for driver software. So you need to choose the first one, search automatically. Now it is searching online for the sound driver. Now it is saying that the best driver software for your device is already installed, but in your case it may be different. It may have find a new driver or a better driver for your system. So just go to start and restart your system just to take the changes effect. Now your sound issues should be fixed now, but if it is still not fixed, we will go through our method number 2, that is troubleshoot sound problems. Just click on this speaker icon and go to troubleshoot sound problems. Make a right click here. So now it is here. Now it is searching for the problems. It may take some time, so here you need to keep patience. Now it is saying that turn off sound effects and enhancements. So just I am opening the enhancements, and here is the speaker properties window, and now it is asking me to disable all enhancements. So just I am going to disable all the enhancements. So I click here and now apply and then OK. So here I disabled all the enhancements. Now click on next. It is searching for more issues or more troubleshooting. Now it didn't find any, so just I am closing it, and again I will go to restart the system to take the changes effect. And now your sound issue should be fixed now, but if it is still not fixed, we will go through method 3, that is restart Windows 10 audio service. So again click on the search icon and write here services.msc, services.msc, and now click on services, and here goes the services window. This window has all the Windows 10 services listed here in alphabetically order, and now we are searching for Windows Audio. So we need to go to W section, and here is the W section, and here is Windows Audio. Just make a double click on it, and just we need to stop the service. So I am clicking on stop. Now the service is stopped, and now again I am going to start the Windows 10 audio service. Now click on start, and now the service is again started. Now click OK and just close the window, and again restart your system to take the changes effect. So this was the way to fix the audio issues with your system. If this video helps you, please like, subscribe and share it to help others. Thank you. Thank you for